Hi, this is Linda Shea with Drilling Contractor. I'm at the 2022 IADC International Deepwater Drilling and Human Performance Conference in Rio de Janeiro, and I'm joined today by Raphael Moura with ANP. Raphael, thank you for joining me.
Thank you so much. It's a massive pleasure to be here to participate on the conference and work together with the industry to improve safety.
So you spoke at our conference today on a panel session, and you talked about several projects that the ANP has been working on. Can you briefly tell us about those projects?
Yes, of course. Actually, we are working together with the International Regulator Forum and with associations such as the IADC and IOGP as well. So we have the improvement statements. First one about well control incidents. Second one about incident investigation and the improve of the methods to learn from incidents. And the third one, digitalization. So we have the three projects together with industry, with a group of regulators that we intend to improve safety through addressing the kind of issue to industry so we can solve together problems.
So one of your colleagues from ANP gave another presentation at this conference, and she referenced a tool that's available from the ANP called, interestingly, Virtual Raphael. Can you tell us briefly about what that tool is and what benefits users can expect?
Yes, of course. That's quite interesting because the origins is my PhD. When I was studying for my PhD in human factors, I developed one classification of major accidents so we can learn from previous accidents. So that classification is time consuming, so I've been working on that for a whole year to interpret the reports and turn the reports into a data set. So the virtual Raphael is an automated tool, a robot that classifies accidents straight away in the kind of framework. So we get the reports, publicly available reports, and classifies incidents so we can interpret, we can run statistical analysis and run for incidents. And it's publicly available, and operators and people in general, researchers can download it and they use to complete the data set, to develop incident data sets.
So is there anything that you would like rig owners and operators in Brazil to know about ANP's approach to human factors, which was a big topic during your panel today?
Yes. So we, first of all, we believe that human factors is the new frontier to improve operational safety. We've been developing our operational safety management systems, and now we reached a maturity about risk analysis, hazard identification. Now it's time to understand the interfaces between organizations, technology, and individual factors to improve human performance. So that's what we are doing here, discussing the kind of subject in this conference, and we've been addressing some of the good and best practices, industrial practices that it has been developed by associations to comply with the Brazilian regulators about human factors, which is aligned with regulations in general for human factors in the UK, in the United States, so we can have improved and safer operations.
Well, thank you so much, Raphael, for joining us at this conference and for joining us on this video to share your insights with us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.